Hi guys, thanks for joining me today on my channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Karen and I hope you would consider subscribing and sticking around. Today I'm going to do this eye look using the new ColourPop Kathleen Lights Zodiac Palette. So if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started playing with my new Zodiac palette. In case you don't know, this is a ColourPop collab with Kathleen Lights. It comes with a mirror and then these beautiful 12 eyeshadows. So today I really feel like playing more with like the neutrals. I do like the pop of color and I might put that in somehow, but I was thinking of going, I'm really feeling this orange color, which is the Aries. I'm really feeling that today, so I think I'm gonna go with something like that, maybe a halo eye cut crease type thing. So let's see what I get going on with that. So I have my face all done and I have primered my eyes and put on some MAC Pro Emphasize powder. So first I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the shade The Taurus. It's a medium brown. Take a smaller, like a denser brush, and I'm going to go with the darker shade on the outside and the inside. I'm going to take that first brush and just going to do a sweep. And that had no extra product on it. And this also has no extra product. Okay, now I think I'm going to take some concealer on the back of my hand. I'm just using whatever one you have handy. This is the ColourPop, and a flat brush. And I'm just going to make sure that that center is really free from color. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. This was just to make it pop more. But now I'm going to take the fun orange shade. And I think I'm going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus on my flat brush. This is a MAC. Just because I want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And I'm taking the shade Aries. like I wanted it to have more of a pop. Maybe if I use my finger. Let me put down the base and then I'll maybe use my finger. I hate having to use my finger because of my nails. That's why I didn't care for with the Dosa Colors and Desi and Katie. I love them. I love the palette, but it was so high maintenance. Okay, now I'm going to use my finger. Well, yeah, you can tell the finger definitely makes it better. I just feel like I don't have as much control. So that's not really my thing, but you know, whatever. Okay, now I'm going to take that pencil dense brush and I'm going to go in with a mixture of the brown and the dark brown, so Virgo and Taurus, and just redo this right here. It's really pretty. I'm gonna get a little more on right here. Okay, so now I am not crazy about this shade being the brow bone, so I'm gonna have to pull something else in. Let me see if her Dream Street. Yeah, I'm not crazy with that either. Let me pull in. I'm just reaching for anything at this point. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take the first shade in light and just put it right here. Now I'm going to go back in with that original brush, no extra product. And I had that medium brown shade, and I'm just going to sweep over the top. Now I'm going to take this shade with just a itty bit more of the brown. I notice one side's a little deeper than the other. Like so. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a little dab of this shade, the Leo, in here, and I'm going to do that on the inner corner and just a pop in the center. Just give it a break. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, now I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm not going to do lashes, but I'm going to put on some mascara, then we'll work on the bottom lash line. From ColourPop in my waterline. Then I'm going to take my original brush and I'm going to take that medium brown, which is the Taurus.
Five minutes later.
Well, well, it would not be one of my videos without my camera overheating. Lord have mercy. Okay, thank goodness I was at the end of what I was doing. So as you recall, I lined my waterline with this ColourPop pencil, and then I realized I wanted it to be a little bit more, so I went ahead and used the same orange color, which is the Aries, and I dabbed it in the waterline, and it really brought out the orange. So then I did my lower lash line. First I used the lighter brown, which is Taurus. Then I very closely put on the darker brown, Virgo, and blended them together. Did the gold in the inner corner, and finished my mascara. Then I had to get to lips, and I decided to go with Dose of Colors Campfire, and I put that on with a little bit of Dose of Colors sparkly shade. So as usual, I have things that I put on in the description box down below, and here's the finished look. I think it is so pretty. I love that orange tone. I know when I saw it, of course, I'm attracted to the green and the blue. Of course I like these pinky purple shades, but I really was attracted to that orange. So I'm glad I got to use it and do a little bit of a halo eye. And yeah, so far I'm enjoying it. So I got this, and then I also purchased the liquid eyeshadow. I'll show it to you. I got it in this shade Astrology, so I'm gonna have fun and doing a look with that soon too, so be on the lookout for that. So I guess that's it for me. Let me know if you bought this collection and if you're liking it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.